Hello. So today we're on day 17 of our cleaning challenge. Today we're going to clean our stoves and our oven. We're going to get that clean. So I'm going to clean the top and the inside. I'm not cleaning the sides because I do not want to pull it out today. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. So for this one, we're going to use the oven and grill cleaner, utility brush, because I know I'm going to need that. I have the cleaning paste, the EnviroCloth, and I have a hard time with the word. Sorry, I know it's an easy word, but I have a really hard time saying it. But like their version of steel wool. I just can't. You know those words? Everybody has those words. Okay, anyway, so we're going to use this. But in order to use this, we need to preheat our oven to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the oven using the foam sprayer, wait 5 minutes, and then wipe clean with a damp microfiber cloth. May require additional applications. And then once you are done this, you turn the oven up, or you turn the oven back on. Preheat the oven to 200 Fahrenheit and then cook for 10 minutes. And then you're good to go. Okay? So that's what we're doing today. So I gotta preheat the oven. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I now have it preheated. Mine won't go overly low, so I'm hoping that will be okay. Oh, I should have took the grates out. Oh, my brain was not working at that moment, was it? I gotta pull those out. Anyone else? Anyone else brain just doesn't want to function some days? We're just gonna set it on top of the stove. And it's okay, because I need this to cool down just a smidgen bit anyway. Because like I said, I could only get mine to go to, it was 120. So we're just going to spray. Ooh, it fizzles. And we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. I thought I got that back corner, but I guess I didn't. Okay. We'll be back. Somebody also suggested to fill the sink up with water, and so that way you guys can see how much the EnviroCloth actually gets off. So we're going to do that. Okay, so I have my sink, well it's not full, but you know I have water in my sink, and we're going to start working on the stove. Okay, so I needed to move you guys over to that angle, just so that way I can reach. Just going to wipe the door down. Now I did spray the door. I didn't expect too much to come off the door there with that though. So it was kind of an afterthought of, oh yeah, I should spray the door. But I was going to use the cleaning paste on the door anyway. Okay. Oh, she's still good and hot. Okay, so I gotta be careful. I gotta wash my fingers. Okay, so that's my first pass. I'm going to heat the oven up again and put a second coat on. This is what I've learned. Where it's thicker, where you really get the spray on there, it cleans a lot easier. So I'm really gonna go to town and I'm really gonna spray it. Okay, so I'll be right back and I'm gonna show you the water after the first go of cleaning the oven so far. Okay, all right, be right back. Okay, so here's the water at one pass. It's quite dirty, so it's gotten a lot off. All right, so be back. Okay, so I just really want you guys to see how thick. I'm gonna spray this on. Might be overkill. I really don't care because I have learned, the thicker it was, it came off nice and easy. Okay. Now we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, something like that. And we'll be back. And I figure while I'm waiting on that, I'll start going out the door. Okay, I need to move you guys so you guys can see this, because this is cool. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm hoping you're gonna be able to see this. Do you see how the color is just coming right up? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Be back. Okay, so I've got 2 goes of it done. And you know, I am very, very pleased with it. I don't want perfect, because if I wanted perfect, I would really go at it. But I just wanted clean. It's very, very clean. Okay, but is it perfect? No. No, I could definitely clean it more to get it clean, but that's okay. Now, oh, there's the door. All nice and clean. Okay, there's the water. That's how much has come off. Now let's do the stovetop. Okay, and while I'm doing the stovetop, I'm gonna burn the inside of the oven to get it good and clean. I feel like I need to bring you a little closer. There we go, that's better. Okay, you can see how dirty she is. Just gonna get that wiped down. It's gonna, actually may as well wipe the whole thing while I'm doing this part. Okay. Now for this part, I'm gonna use the cleaning paste. We're also going to use the scrub sponge. Okay. I'm sorry, I have a really hard time with some of their words. I need more water. I drained out too much of the water. There we go. And we're just going to go at it. Okay. Now that's beautiful. Wipe down the front of the stove and we're gonna call it a day. Actually, I'm going to bring you down with me for a second. I'm actually going to take some of the cleaning paste. Just go over the front of the stove here. Alright. There we go. Now I have a happy clean stove. And hopefully you now have a happy clean stove. Alright. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And I will be talking to you again really soon. Bye.